I choose balance in my life. Hello, beautiful friends, people, followers, likers. Here we are again, and on Valentine's Day, this message, story telling us finding balance, centering ourselves in our beautiful heart. And what you see here, the beautiful image, is with the beautiful, powerful symbol, the Hosanna symbol that's clearing blockages on your path. May that be emotionally or mentally that something is holding you back physically. Whatever this is, use the symbol Hosanna, Hosanna, Hosanna. I'm finding balance in my life. Use this card throughout the days. If you have already my oracle cards or love to have them, they are available. So we are tuning into this frequency, and the blue light is shielding off any negative energies from the collective or from outer circumstances and environments. The yellow light expects of the mental field. What you think you become, what you think you attract. Focus is very important here. Finding balance, 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 balance. With me, repeat, I'm finding balance in my life. It's a beautiful message for us. Whatever goes on, whatever is in your life right now, happens for a reason. And if you're not happy with it, especially with just we had the big full moon, the snow moon, we can let go and open the path. Trusting that everything is falling into place in the right timing. Trust yourself, trust the divine, trust the universe, and work with the energy, the frequency to tune in with the Hosanna, a powerful symbol, Hosanna, a message for you. You are free.